I do believe kasi yan yung tool mo eh. That's my extension dapat, 'di ba? Parang as an artist, that's your canvas and your paint, 'di ba? Paintbrush. So hindi ka pwedeng gumawa ng something without your proper tools. And the most comfortable tool that I have and use is Sony. So parang I don't need to think about the settings, kabisado ko agad siya, and ma-deliver ko yung gusto kong mabigay na kwento.
How is being a brand ambassador of Sony and even Nanlite shape your professional growth and your career?
Actually, malaki talagang impact din eh. Kasi parang before, I was just doing things for my own. I wasn't thinking about kung ano yung may influence ko, kung ano yung matuturo ko sa ibang tao. Tapos, for the longest time din, sinasabi ko, gusto ko, pag matanda na ako, pag puti na yung buhok ko, babalik ako sa UST, magtuturo ako at magiging prof ako para
Nice.
makapag-give back ako. Pero yun nga sinasabi ko sa Sony team, sabi ko, thank you so much for this opportunity kasi yung pangarap ko, nagagawa ko na makapag-share at makapagturo through Sony's workshops. And ganun din sa Nanlite na nakakapagturo ako sa ibang tao.